Hello and welcome to Insurance World TV, your premier online insurance education channel. This video sets out to explain one of the important yet completely ignored and misunderstood clauses in property insurance. That is the reinstatement of loss clause. The reinstatement of loss clause is a provision found in some insurance policies, particularly property insurance. This clause addresses the restoration of the sum insured following a loss. Definition and purpose. Definition. The reinstatement of loss clause stipulates that after a claim is paid for a covered loss, the sum insured is automatically restored to its original amount without any additional premium being paid by the policyholder. Purpose. This clause ensures that the policyholder continues to have full coverage for the remaining policy period despite the loss and subsequent claim. Key features. 1. Automatic reinstatement. After a loss, the insurance coverage is automatically restored to the original sum insured. This ensures continuous protection. 2. No additional premium. Typically, the reinstatement is done without the need for the policyholder to pay an additional premium, although some policies might require a reinstatement premium. 3. Application. This clause is often found in property and business interruption insurance policies, where maintaining the full sum insured is crucial for the policyholder's ongoing operations. Now let's talk about the benefits of the reinstatement of loss clause. First up, continuous coverage. With this clause, policyholders are assured that they will not be underinsured following a claim. This means, peace of mind knowing your coverage remains intact. Next, financial protection. It provides financial security, knowing that subsequent claims within the policy period will be fully covered. So you can rest easy, knowing you're protected no matter what happens. And lastly, simplifies administration. Policyholders do not need to renegotiate or adjust their insurance coverage after each claim. This really helps in making the whole process much smoother and hassle-free. Imagine a business with property insured for $500,000 that includes a reinstatement of loss clause. If the business suffers a fire and makes a claim for $100,000, the insurer pays the claim and the coverage amount is restored to the original sum insured, for example, $500,000 automatically. This means the business is fully protected for any subsequent losses during the policy period without needing to pay additional premiums. Here's another example. Suppose you own a business and a fire damages your warehouse. You file a claim and your insurance covers the damage. With a reinstatement clause, once the claim is settled and the repairs are done, your policy coverage is reinstated, allowing you to make another claim if a different event causes damage in the future. Example number 3. Imagine you're a homeowner and your house is damaged by a severe storm. You file a claim with your insurance company and they pay for the repairs. Thanks to the reinstatement clause in your policy, once the repairs are complete, your coverage is reset and you're protected again if another storm hits and can claim again within the same cover period. Reinstatement premium. In some cases, insurers may charge a reinstatement premium for restoring the coverage. Policyholders should check their policy details. This is rare, and it majorly occurs when claiming from cover extensions such as windscreen damage, excess protector, debris removal limits, side mirror covers, etc. Limits and conditions. Some policies might have specific limits or conditions under which the reinstatement clause applies. It's essential to review these details to understand the full scope of coverage. In summary, a reinstatement of loss clause is an essential feature in many insurance policies, ensuring continuous coverage even after filing a claim. It provides peace of mind, knowing that your protection isn't a one-time deal, but an ongoing safety net. The reinstatement of loss clause is a valuable feature in insurance policies that ensures the insured maintains full coverage after a loss, providing peace of mind and financial security. If you found this video helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights into the world of insurance. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.